all new season. It's crazy.
Question.
What?
What do you think about me modeling?
Modeling?
Steamy.
You not going out.
You gotta tell me, but you hate.
Real. The award-winning. Most intriguing. All new series.
Ain't none y'all gonna know about it.
Girl, don't slam my door like that. Shante slammed my door there at the beauty shop and I almost broke my glass.
Mama went to the mall today. I seen a perfect black dress for my red and black heels. Can you please give me the money for them?
You do not need another dress.
I need that dress. Can you please get it before somebody else have it?
Isn't Tiffany Crystal supposed to come over and help you today?
You need another dress, JoJo, but my time is important, and I am not sure if you remember, but I came over here to help you with your event.
Cousin, see, I was just thinking, you can give me your bank card for the money. Brother, do you have some money I can borrow?
I always have money, but with interest. I got it right where I want it. I'm gonna charge your interest. That's how millionaires become millionaires.
Question. What? What do you think about me modeling?
Modeling?
Now, what did you say about the bank? I can do what? So that means I can pay Audie Beckett's interest. Oh, really? Oh, well, I need to do that today.
What does she need a new dress for? It's always something up with her. It must be something really big. I'm sure it is. I know it. It happens every time.
Tensions are rising.
What? You got to be kidding me. Okay, well, call me right back. Oh, this girl here. Oh, I'm going to get her. I don't know how she thinks she cannot slick me. I've been, old as I am, I done been there, done that. Oh, this girl got me pissed off, mad at her. Oh, but when I find out.
I don't care how this little brat gets what she wants, but I'm in the business of making money and putting information out there. If she doesn't interfere with my business, then I'll help her all day.
I wonder what this secret is that Shantae has. Oh, I forgot. I'll be there in a minute. I'm on my way. Do y'all have $20 I can borrow?
Now you finna get up and go?
You're wasting both of our time.
The reality show that
We need
has
to talk
close
about
encounters,
this because I'm not
especially
understanding. You
the
open up a bank
compulsive
account I
kind.
didn't know nothing about. Then you went sign the contract. Hold up. Audie, don't start right now. Please don't start. Then you went sign a contract, a modeling contract without even me being there. What's up with that? What is all this? Then you're borrowing money from people? Then you got the nerve to come ask me about a red dress? You know what? All this here is about to stop. All of it.
This does not look good. I have to pay my brother back the money from the bank. Tell my mom about my modeling career I already got signed to. I also have to apologize to Tiffany and Crystal about their time. But the biggest thing of all, I have to convince my mother so I can appear at the Nelly party and be in the VIP section. This is just way too much. Grandma said you all supposed to take care of me.
No.
Absolutely not.
Sweetie, with your born ready attitude, you still owe me $20.
No, Crystal owes you $20.
Wait, Crystal doesn't owe anyone anything.
How did your bank become overdrawn?
No, well, I just bought a plain and simple burger. In the bank, they charged me $105 for 45 cents.
Look, this is the way it's done. You put the money in, you charge, they take the money out. If your money's there, it's okay.
Tiffany and Crystal have to get out of my way. I have VIP passes to this Nelly concert. I don't care what anybody says.
The Flaming Yes, the premium collection. To Miss Rolanda, working that suit.